Oh,
okay.
ow.
It's okay.
Bless you.
If you and
did he do Coraline?
Oh, did he?
he has a very specific style, so I think it is.
I thought
but
Coraline was someone else. Ooh.
I don't know. I am not a pro at my media.
Yeah, when you guys said Nightmare, I thought Nightmare on Elm Street. I did not
never
think of
watched
Nightmare Before
that.
Christmas. I haven't seen that one either.
I remember, I think I saw like a scene where someone gutted someone and then he started being dragged across the ceiling, and that spooked me as a kid.
Cats.
I hear this.
And I kind of want to remake the Kingdom Hearts intro scene in Minecraft.
Cats.
Yes, it's you guys.
Oh, on my takoyaki
Bless you.
is
Thank you.
still there.